So I've got a very strong theme I've been on since last year that we would see recession risk pulled forward at the end of this year. This was before Trump was elected. This was before the Trump tariff terrors and the delay of such. It was also before, and I really, really want to emphasize this point, is the greedflation, which is not really talked about, but in fact, in the last iteration of looking at what contributed very much to the PPI, which is Producer Price Index, which is rising, and this debate about tariffs are inflationary or not. What's actually been very inflationary are margins. Corporate margins have been bid from McDonald's pricing themselves way above the competition to maintain margin, which is, by the way, helping them maintain a pricing of their stock, but not necessarily for their audience to consume as much. So the CEO was on yesterday talking about how they're seeing a shift in traffic. It's down by, I forget how much he said, 1/3 or something. Well, at the same time, they're charging more than their competitors by a significant amount. They're really taking at the front running the tariff hit on higher prices. So they do not have margin contraction. So that's greedflation. That's just like front running
$75, Samantha, for me to take the family to McDonald's on a road trip. $75, and I don't think my wife even really had anything. So they are definitely making this decision that can't be popular with the masses, which is, okay, we're going to grab some of that trade down, maybe from mid-tier restaurants. We're going to grab that trade down and we're going to throw everyone else under the bus who used to enjoy our $4.99 meals. It's a real shift. You're right. That's a very
So this will start to hit disposable income. This will hit consumer spending. But for right now, the market is rewarding a massive, beautiful beat. So Q1, we weren't worried about. Q2 came in roaring. Q3 and Q4, I contend, are going to be slowdown periods, not just because they've pulled forward so much of this demand, whether it be goods or services, but also in corporate margins. So I think we're going to see a massive earnings growth slowdown in Q3 and Q4. That's number one. We've already gone through the shrinkflation. We're not near deflation, but we definitely will see consumer spending hit in certain categories, which is going to hit corporate margins, et cetera. So I still have this baseline bet that we're going to see a very different view toward the end of the year as it relates to the regular economy. But I also want to say I've got this thesis also where we have